Thunder rolled and the oak gave in. Wrath of nature thick as sin. Front porch crumbled, skies turned gray. Alan Dorney came to save the day. Morning light through shattered dreams. The roof was gone, or so it seems. Builders came with hearts of gold. Rising hope from ruins cold. Alan Dorney's team so grand, fixing dreams with steady hands. Nailed our worries to the frame. A home rebuilt in Jesus' name. Every splinter, every crack, Alan's crew put all that back. Wiping woes with trusty flair, made our house a safe repair.